Hi, for this step we're going to be navigating through the MFT record that looks like a fragment from a page file. Begin by opening up files for WinHex and select page files.sys. Click open. At this time we would like to do a search of find text, and we type in Badar. Make sure that the match case is checked and that it is in Unicode and the search is downward, then click OK. Upon finding Badar, scroll up until you see the first file 0 as shown here. This is the beginning of the MFT record. The MFT record is 38 bytes long, hex bytes that is. By holding the cursor down and dragging the mouse across like I'm doing, we can go 38 bytes as is displayed in the lower right hand corner of WinHex. At the 38th position is the beginning of attribute 10 as shown here. Attribute 10 is 60 bytes long. Again, repeat the process of scrolling down and highlighting the next 60 bytes. The next attribute is attribute 30, short file name. Attribute 30 is 78 bytes in size, as shown here at offset 4 from the attribute. Again, repeat the process of holding the cursor down and scrolling down 78 bytes. This brings us to the next attribute, which is attribute 30, the long file name. Again, this is 78 bytes long, as shown here at offset 4 from the beginning of the attribute. Again, repeat the process of 78 bytes until we get to the next attribute. In this case, it's attribute 80, which is the data attribute. And as shown here, the data attribute is 58 bytes long. In addition, that at offset 8 from the beginning of attribute 80, as shown here, with this value here of 1, that is the non-resident flag since it's set to 1. From the beginning of attribute 80, count off 40 bytes to get to the beginning of the data run, which is this 31 value. The next procedure, we will go into interpreting the data run.